Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Sienna cabin air filter. First, open your glove compartment all the way. You will see two small dampeners, one on each side. Carefully remove them. Then, gently push inward on the sides of the glove box to release it from its lower hinges. This provides full access to the filter housing. Now that the glove box is out of the way, you will see a rectangular housing unit. This is where your cabin air filter lives. There are two small clips, one on each side, that hold the cover in place. Unclip these and then pull the cover straight off. You can now easily slide the old, dirty filter out of its slot. Before inserting your new cabin air filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow must point downwards, towards the floor of your vehicle, for proper air circulation. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing slot until it is fully seated and flush. This ensures optimal filtration for your Sienna's interior. With the new filter in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely. Next, align the lower hinges of the glove box and push its sides inward to snap it back into its original position. Finally, reattach the two small dampeners, one on each side, to complete the reassembly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.